Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually getting a late start to the day. It's 9 o'clock. I mean, it's not like that late, but usually I have already like worked out, made my bed, emptied the dishwasher, done all of these things, and I haven't done any of them. So I got the kids to school. My son's here doing his remote learning, and I just need to basically clean up the entire house. So I figured I would take you along, give you some cleaning motivation. We're going to do basically an all-day clean with me. There isn't anything that I don't have to do, really. Nothing needs to be like deep cleaned, but everything needs to be like picked up. Beds need to be made. The kids' rooms are disastrous, but I'm waiting for both of them to be done with school, and they are going to be doing a lot of that on their own because it's just ridiculous. So we need to like wipe down kitchen counters. I need to vacuum. I need to mop. I need to wipe down the bathrooms. Like, again, they don't need to be deep cleaned. I've already cleaned them. They just need to be like cleaned up. We have laundry to do. We have the dishwasher, dishes, you name it, I gotta do it. So let's get started, but make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. I post a couple of times a week, usually 3 to 4 times a week. I do cleaning motivation, I do organizing videos, I do minimalist videos. So that's basically what I cover here on my channel. Once in a while I'll throw in a day in the life vlog, but that is about it. So let's get started cleaning. I'm done wasting enough time and procrastinating, which I am the queen of, so let's get started. So as always, I am just starting in my bedroom. I just need to make the bed and get everything neat. I feel like it's just when your room is neat and your bed is made, it just makes everything look so much better. Even like there can be piles of stuff and things other places, but if your bed's made and the bed is made in the room you are in, it is good to go. Now I'm just getting a load of laundry started. I also had a load of laundry in the dryer from the night before, and I'm also just giving you a quick little PSA to vacuum out your dryer vent. So we obviously clean ours and take all the lint off, but every few days I check it. I clean with the attachment on our Dyson, and I get inside where you take out the little lint trap. So I clean all in there, and I also vacuum the lint trap itself just to make sure. I'm always so afraid of like fires or anything like that happening because it's so common and some people just forget to do it. So that is my little PSA for the day. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. So now we are moving on to the kitchen. We are just getting all of the dishes out of the dishwasher and putting everything away. And then I am going to load up all the dishes in the sink that were from breakfast and snack time and everything else, because I don't know about you guys, but when my kids are home from school, which is literally all the time, but they just eat nonstop and they're growing like weeds. It's out of control, but there's just constantly dishes all the time. So I am just going to get all of that taken care of so I can do another load of dishes in 5 minutes. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, make me now. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough. now that the dishes were taken care of, I just noticed that the appliances had some fingerprints and water spots and all of that. So I just wiped everything down with my Thieves Cleaner from Young Living, which I buy from Amazon because I am too afraid to buy anything from anyone that's like sells Young Living, because I know it's like a cult and they trick you into signing up for anything and everything and all of these things you don't need. But this cleaner is really good. It's like my favorite scent. It works really well. It's the best. And then I just use some stainless steel cleaner to wipe everything down after I clean everything and get all of these spots off.
My bad patience, I hate it, always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the gold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it, always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights.
All right, just checking in. I have done the laundry. Sorry. I have done the laundry. I've emptied the dishwasher. I have tidied the kitchen. I have tidied the bathrooms. I have made most of my grocery list. I still have to like go through and make sure. I just wrote it on the other side of my to-do list. I am going to vacuum the house real quick, and then when I get back, I have to go pick up my daughter from school, and my son has a haircut appointment. But when I get back, I'm going to steam mop the whole house, and the kids are going to clean their rooms. I will help them with that, but just a quick kind of tidy because they're a little messy. So I will see you guys in a little bit.
One of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where
now I am just plugging in my Bissell Steam Mop. This is one of my favorite cleaning tools. It works so well. I've had it for just about a year now, and I use it all the time. It works really well to clean your grout because it has like where the pad is attached, there's another that comes off, and there's another smaller attachment that you can get into like really small spaces, and like I said, I use it to clean my grout. It works really well. And I was watching Kristen Casper's channel because she is just my favorite, and she said to put essential oil on the bottom of your pad on the steam mop. So that is what I did, because if she recommends it, I'm probably going to do it because she's just my favorite. So I put some orange essential oil, and it really worked well. It didn't really do anything for like the cleaning, obviously, but it just made it smell really nice throughout the house.
That I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire.
Show me your room. Wow. Looks so good. The only thing I want to ask you to do is put your laundry away. Yeah, we'll just straighten up your bed. Vacuum, just don't vacuum the pink rug. And can you take care of, because the vacuum will suck up all the pink stuff on it. Put your shoes away, your dance bag away, and then this needs to get cleaned up. Yep, looks good. High five. Good job. Love you. Okay. Alright, and that is it for today's video. We got everything done. My daughter's currently working on her room. It was kind of a big mess, to put it simply, but she's still working on that. I'm gonna go help her out a little bit, but we are just kind of taking some stuff out. She has a ton of Barbies, so I gave her like a Tupperware or like a little bin to keep everything in, so that way when she wants to pull all of the Barbies out, like she can pull those out, but kind of put them off aside so they're not everywhere taking over her room. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you found this super motivating and you're able to tackle your to-do list, write everything down, and just check things off one by one. It's like the best way and like the best motivation for me is to write everything down, so that way I like to just check off the boxes. I know, so silly, but it's rewarding to me to be like, I did this, and you can see everything you accomplished all on one page. So like I said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.